Hello everybody, today we will be doing a heat capacity science experiment. All you will need is 2 glasses, 2 balloons, 2 candles and 1 lighter. 1 balloon filled with water and the other not. Start by lighting your candles. Ask mommy or daddy to help you. Proceed by taking your candle, putting it at the bottom of the glass. Take 1 balloon. This one has water, as you can hear, and this one does not. Let's watch what happens to the 2 of them. The one that does not have water pops. What happens to the one that does have water? Watch the flame. The flame burns out. Watch the balloon. It's been sucked into the glass. How cool is that? Enjoy!